Welcome guys. So in this lecture I'm going to explain what is Java and how to install. And since our this Selenium course will be based on Java plus Selenium, so we have to know what is our prerequisites. So our first and main prerequisites will be Java. So without Java, we cannot write Selenium code on Eclipse. So first we have to download the Java, and after that we have to install the Java. Okay. So for downloading Java, let's go to the Google and let's go to the Google and write JDK download. If you write JDK download on Google, you can see first link, which is an Oracle link. Just click on that. If you click on that, you will navigate to this page. Just click on download. Like by default it will be in download page only. After that, these are the JDK version, Java version, which you can see: Java 12.1, Java 11.3, Java 8, all are stable version. You can download any of this. So I personally like 11 and 12, which is very stable version. So if you want to download Java 12.1, just click on download. Once you click on download, it will navigate to you to this page. So here you have to choose your operating system version, which version it is. Either it could be 32-bit, or it could be uh, 64-bit, it could be Mac, Linux, whatever it is, you have to choose. So before that you have to accept the license agreement, and after that you have to click on this Windows 64 Gen. So once you click, you can see that JDK will get downloaded. Since I have since I have already Java in my system, so I will pause this. And once JDK will be downloaded in your system, you will get a zip file. Just unzip that and start installing that exe file. Once double click on exe file, one pop-up will come. Just click on yes. Like it will keep on asking yes. Just click on yes, and automatically it will get installed in background. So once it will get installed in your system, you have to find it out whether it is downloaded in your installed in your system or not. So for that you have to go to your C drive. So if you go to your C drive, and from there you can see program files, just go there. If you go to program files, you have to search a folder named Java. Where is Java? Java, same Java. Just click on that. Once you click on Java folder, you will get JDK and JRE. Since I have installed JDK 1.8 in my system, so you can see the version JDK 1.8, right? So that means you are successfully installed Java in your system. So what is our main first point? First point is download Java, which we have done successfully. So after that, set environment variable. That means, what is environment variable? That we have to understand. It is called as system variable as well. That means when you write a Selenium code, and background should be Java, right? Programming language should be Java, but Selenium doesn't know whether that particular software is present in your system or not. So when you write the code and when you hit enter, it will search environment variable, whether the environment variable has that particular software or not. That means, like in one line, if you want to say, you have to tell that environment variable will help you to get that particular software you want to connect, right? So since we are already installed Java in our system, so we have to set our Java path in environment variable. So for that, just go to the control panel or environment variable. So for that, you have to go to my PC. This is my PC. Right click on that, go to properties, and once you go to properties, you can see advanced system setting. So before that, I want to inform that if you don't know which bit operating system you are using, so you can come here, control panel, system security and system. There you can get to know which operating system you are using. So let's come to the point. Just click on advanced system setting. Once you click on advanced system setting, it will one system properties dialog box will come up. So where you can see environment variable, just click on environment variable and you can see system variable, right? In this system variable, first you have to set Java home path. What is Java home path? What we have downloaded just now? We have downloaded JDK, right? So just click on JDK. Once you click on JDK, just copy the path, and remember this JDK path is called Java home path. Just sorry, yeah, just click on that path and again come to the system variable part. Okay, system variable, and now click on new, because if you click on new, you can keep your that particular Java home path and you can set it. So we'll give name Java underscore home and copy this path. So once you click that Java home path, it will come here. So since I have Java home path already in my machine, so I'll click on cancel and I can show where I have set that Java home path here. Yes, I have set here. So anywhere you can set, whether you can set here also and you can set here also. So I have set Java home path in my user variable. This is my code, leave it. Java home path you can set here also. So this is how you have to set your Java home path, and after that you have to set one more path, that is inside JDK. You can see bin folder here. See, all the exe file is present. What you have to do, you just have to copy this location, and again you have to come to the system environment pop-up and just see, you will get one thing, path. Just click on that. If you click on that, you can see edit environment variable pop-up should be appeared, and what you have to do, you have to just click on next. Once you click on next, one column should be editable, and you just have to give your bin location here. If you give bin location here and after that if you click, that's it, done, your Java is installed successfully. So since I have that, I will not keep this path here. I can show you where I have kept. It should be here. See, this one, Oracle Java path. Okay, so this is how you have to you have to set your environment variable. So after that you have to if you really want to know whether your Java is successfully installed in your machine or not, so for that you have to come to CMD. Once you come to once you open your CMD, just write Java space hyphen version. See, when you write type this code, so once you type this and hit an enter, you can see some Java version. It will appear some runtime environment, whatever, like Java related things will come. So we have installed 1.8, so here it came 1.8. If you install 1.12, so it will come 1.12, whatever. It's on you which one you are going to install in your system. So now we are successfully installed Java in our machine. So yeah, pretty much about this lecture, how to install Java and how to set environment variable. So in my next lecture, I will show how to install Eclipse and how to install Selenium jar. So I guess we are clear about this section, about this lecture. If you have any queries, please leave a comment below. And if you want to reach me out, please email me via pratikkumarnag@gmail.com. And as I promised, I can try to solve your queries within 48 to 72 hours. Okay, thank you, and we'll see in my next video.